Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I very well, thank you. Before the study day, let's pray first. Let's pray together. Enough. Before starting learning this morning, I will say you one by one. 1. Fatimatus Soliha.
Present.
2. Novi Magfiro.
Present, Miss.
3. Abrar Sarah Tia Ivanka.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Okay, this day we'll study mathematics about one variable linear equation and inquiry. Before I explain about the material of one variable linear equation and inquiry, you guys must know about algebraic form. In this algebraic form material, I will explain about I. Recurrence algebraic form, B. Algebraic form operation, C. Algebraic form factoring, and D. How to solve algebraic form factories. For today meeting, I will explain about recurrence algebraic form and algebraic form operation. To recurrent algebraic form, there are two points, namely understanding the algebraic form, two elements in algebraic form, and three the value of the algebraic form. 1. Understanding the algebraic form. The algebraic form is a mathematical sentence that involves symbols to represent an unknown number. Consider the following example of algebra. I. 5b, the meaning 5 times b. B. 3i plus 7, the meaning 3 times I plus b. Element in algebraic form. In a form of algebra, there are the following elements. I. Variable or variables, namely symbol that represent a number in an algebraic form. The symbol used as variable are usually changed to lowercase letter. B. Coefficient, which is a number that accompanies a variable in an algebraic form. C. Constants, which are part of the algebraic form that does not contain variable. Example, Kono as 2x 5y plus 6. The variable are x and y. The coefficient of x is 2 and the coefficient of y is 5. The constanta is 6. Next example, 3i minus 6b plus 3. What is the value of the constanta?
The constanta is 3.
Okay, good job. And okay, next, the variable, which is part of the algebraic form of variable and their coefficient or constanta that are separated by the or the difference operation. There are two types of terms in algebraic form, namely 1. Leakage terms are terms that have the same variable. Example, 3p and minus p are like terms. 2. Dislike terms are terms that have unequal variable. Example, 5p and 2x are non-like terms. The value of the algebraic form. The value of some form of algebra can determine the value of the variable if known. Example, give the algebraic form 3x squared minus x plus 5y plus 4. This algebraic form has two variables, namely x and y. This variable represents a number. Suppose the variable value x equals 2 and y equals 1. The following values will be calculated. 3x squared minus x plus 5y plus 4 equals 2x squared minus 2 plus 5 times 1 plus 5 equals 12 minus 2 plus 5 plus 4 equals 19. So the value of the algebraic form 3x squared minus x plus 5y plus 4 for x equals 2 and y equals 1 is 19. Algebra from operation. 1. The property of arithmetic operation in algebraic form. I. Commutative properties. I plus b equals b plus I times b equals b times I. B. Associative properties. I plus B plus C equals I plus B plus C. I times B times C equals I times B times C. C. Distributive property. I times B plus C equals I times B plus I times C. I times B minus C equals I times B minus I times C. 2. Addition and subtraction operation in algebraic form. The addition and subtraction operation in algebraic form can only be performed on like terms. To do this, add and subtract the coefficient of the like terms. Example can be seen on your handphone screen. 3. Multiplication operation in algebraic form. The things that need to be considered in the multiplication of algebraic form are as follows. I. Single term multiplication by single term is done by multiplying the coefficient by the coefficient and the variable by the variable. Example can be seen on your screen phone. Multiplication by non-singular terms use the distributive property can be seen on the screen. Division in algebraic form. Division by single terms algebraic form. The division of the algebraic form by the single terms algebraic form is done by dividing the coefficient by the coefficient and the value by the variable. This algebraic division operation will be easier to do in fraction form. Example can be seen on the screen. B. Division by algebraic form of two or more terms. The division of algebraic form by the algebraic form of two or more terms is done in a computed manner. Example can be seen on the screen. Okay, my children, in pandemic, do not forget to take care of your health. Eat regularly and do not forget to always wash your hands and wear a mask. Do not travel without any benefit. It is better at home because the coronavirus is increasing, so we must comply with health protocol. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.